In this video, I will show you how to start learning on Coursera and make the most of its features. Coursera is a leading global online learning platform that offers courses, certificates, and degrees from top universities and companies around the world. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Coursera. Click on the official Coursera link from the search results. Once the site loads, you will see an option to log in at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to sign in. If you are new to Coursera and need assistance with signing up, check out our detailed video on how to register on Coursera. Once you are logged in, the homepage will display a variety of recommended courses and specializations. You can scroll through these or use the search bar at the top to find courses in specific fields such as data science, business, computer science, and more. On Coursera, learning is divided into several sections. The My Learning tab shows all the courses you have enrolled in, both ongoing and completed. The Online Degrees section lists degree programs from prestigious universities, with tuition fees varying by institution and field of study. If you are looking to build a career path, the Career section offers career guides, curated learning paths, and skill-based training programs. To search for a course, you can simply type in it into the search box. For example, if you type in computer science and hit enter, it's going to show you all of the top courses which have thousands and thousands of reviews on them. For example, if you are interested in learning programming, type a specific language like Python and hit enter. Coursera will display numerous courses related to Python, each with ratings and estimated completion times. After selecting a course, scroll down to review the course syllabus, instructor details, and student reviews. Most courses provide video lectures, reading materials, quizzes, and hands-on assignments to enhance learning. Some courses offer certificates upon completion, which can be valuable for career advancement. To enroll, click on Enroll for free. If the course has a paid certificate, you can either purchase it or audit the course for free without receiving a certificate. Once enrolled, you can begin learning at your own pace, track your progress, and participate in discussion forums to interact with instructors and peers. By following these steps, you can effectively learn and develop new skills on Coursera from the comfort of your home.